What's going on, Fruitlab? Alright, so we're doing a special video today. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the Razer Seiren X Microphone. Alright, on to the unboxing. So we got the Razer Seiren X. Comes with its own condenser. Really good for filtering out sounds, and actually comes with a shock resistance base as well. So this is it. Let's take it, look at it. It's really good. It's got a little strip here. We can just take it out. Oh, that sound is so satisfying. Now, will it let me open? Oh. Whoa! Oh, that is a sexy beast. The best part about the unboxing. Oh, unbox the smell. Sexy beast. Look at that. It's pretty small, actually. Compact. Look at that. Nice. Subtle. Alright, let's see what else we got. Nice little welcome message. Welcome to streaming. Interesting. Nice little quick start guide. Assemble on the base, connect to USB. Alright. And the user guide. Setup. Alright. Ooh, we got some stickers, man. What about that swag, man? Nice. Gotta find a spot for that. For gamers, by gamers. Let's see what else. Nice. We got a L-shaped USB-C cable, which I really like, so your cables don't get bent. And even better, we have a braided cable, so it's a lot easier to do cable management and bending around corners. Very good cable. Okay, we've got the screw attachment, and underneath here is the base. Nice, solid base as well. Okay, so screw that on. Screw this on as well, just to do a basic setup. I like the base as well. It's solid, it's metal, so you can see it's pretty solid. Seiren X Microphone. Pretty sexy. Just one last message. I just want to say huge thank you to the team at Fruitlab. I just got made partner, which is an amazing thing, real huge surprise. And because of all the earnings and because of the website, everyone that's so great, it's actually given me the money to actually get this mic, you know, the Razer Seiren, which is about about $70. You know, I managed to get it on sale over Christmas. And yeah, it's because of the great community and when you guys are watching my videos, and it's given me the means to reinvest and hopefully make the sound quality a bit better for the videos. So I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone, and look forward to the next video.